Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I got my 2014 Wrangler JK behind me, and we are going to install a Tuffy security product in this. And this Jeep is no stranger to Tuffy security products at all. As I said before, this Jeep is no stranger to Tuffy security products. I have right there, you can see Tuffy security under the seat safe, driver's side, where I can store some treasure. Passenger side, I got the Tuffy security safe for the glove box, and also underneath the passenger seat as well, Tuffy security products safe. And in this video, we are going to install a safe in the center console. And this is it, right here. Unfortunately, to install the safe, you're going to lose a tray in your center console. And now we're going to do the center console. Like I said, we're going to lose this shelf here, so I need to take out my treasure I got in there, because this shelf will be no more once we start it. It's amazing how much stuff you store in there and forget about, to be honest. So this is the safe. I am going to lose some real estate with it for sure. So this must be for the 12-volt accessory plug that's in there. And these are your instructions. And it also has online as well. So I guess according to instructions, we got to pop that off, and then we got to pop that off first thing. Here's the lock right here. Default combination 000, and you see the hole in the side. If you want to program it, you got to turn it to the open position, and once it's in the open position, there's like a little button. So then you got to push it in with a paper clip or something, and while you hold that in, you program your combination, release it, and then lock it. So I need to take this back cover off, and I got a rear seat delete, but actually I just noticed something I never noticed before. I have these buttons at the back. I have no idea what they are. I'm going to try to use a trim tab tool, see if I can separate this. Okay. That part's done. Got to open her up now. Okay. Now it says this tray. I got to pop that off. That comes off. Now somehow this comes off. It comes off. Okay, we got that off. We're taken care of there. That's pretty simple. Oh, look at this. Found some money. Yeah, I'm rich. 10 cents. So according to the instructions, there's some sort of rubber mat in there. Just reach down to the depths. See if we can fish it out. Any treasure underneath there? No money? Nope. There's not. So now it looks like we got to remove those 4 screws that are Torx. In case you want to know, it's a T20. And this door is probably gonna fall over. Or fall off. As soon as I remove that, it does. So you gotta be careful. So now the fun part is, I gotta try to get this in. Put the center console back underneath here. Get her tightened down. Make sure the alignment's good so the door can open and close. And I think this is the slot for the power point maybe. And then optionally, you can drill holes in the back here and have it more permanent mount. I'm not going to bother with that. All right, we got the safe. That is supposed to fit in. Well, I guess it does. Oh, just super tight. Just super tight, and I lost. Whoops. I guess that got kind of torn off. Let's try this again. Okay. We're not going to put that down fully yet. This has to go in. Underneath. As such. I'm just going to throw one in just to kind of hold it. It doesn't look too bad, actually. You do lose a little bit of real estate, but it's not horrible. I'm just going to put these other ones in. It's nice that they have a slot. And, I'm just going to... Will it close? Yeah. I think we're good. I tightened down the rest. Yeah, that's all right. So now I'm gonna put this cover back on, and of course, if you want to, you could drill the holes and taking care of that. But I'm not drilling any holes. And it was just simple, just pop that back in. So like I said, if you do this project, you're gonna use of that tray. So if you really love that tray, this might not be for you. But as far as everything else, there we go. Pop it open. There's our safe. You can see inside there and where I screwed up with that. So I'm just gonna replug that. And it does utilize the notches still on the side. Now I gotta, this is also no longer needed. And I gotta see what stuff will fit back in there now. And I put the Super Chips programmer back in there. And my worn winch controller. I know it's not going to get lost. Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to store in there for right now. And I just got to lock it. I'm not going to show you what my combination is. There you go, even with it locked. So there we are, finished product. There's a little bit of storage. I just put my knife in there, my carbon monoxide detector for when I'm out camping, and I have the diesel heater pumping heat into the Jeep, and some chapstick for the winter time. Looks all right. You do lose quite a bit of real estate inside there though, and you do lose that secondary shelf. So if you're very impartial to that, you might want to think about it, but it's not a big deal breaker for me. And my chapstick just disappeared into the abyss. Can I fish it out? There we go. Now we're set. That was a super easy install. Took about 15 minutes max. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.